Hey guys, so just want to touch base with you guys on some of you have questions about submitting your articles after you read them and answering the questions at the end of the article. So for example, if you're doing this, you're going to go to your modules page and you'll see it, and I'll use the 8th grade one for today. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Okay, so you'll see this article and it will pop up and you'll be able to read it, but you have to save it as, it should open up in your Google Docs on your computer, and you can highlight whatever the correct answer is. So all you do is you double click it, like for example, if I was going to highlight this, I would double click it and click highlight and then click my color. Okay, it doesn't matter the color, just as long as I can see what the answer is. I prefer you to use the yellow, but that's on you. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. It should save you, save it in your Google Documents, and then you have to upload it to your Canvas shell. Okay, so don't just think that you can submit it like this. You have to submit it in your Google Documents, or in your Canvas page, excuse me.